Starting around the 19th of June 2023, Bitcoin money is exchanging at $106.28 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.58% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. BCH by and large has a kind of complete market cap of $2,064,422,841, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $64,983,961 in a sort of enormous manner. This by and large makes Bitcoin money especially positioning at 29 in the digital currency market, or so they thought. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money in a real sense be essentially worth in 2023 in a by and large enormous manner? Is Bitcoin money a wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Will BCH cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high, which generally is very critical? These are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 as per the Bitcoin money gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the BCH cost by and large is supposed to in a real sense cross an extremely normal value level of $133.88. The normal especially least value worth of Bitcoin money toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to generally be $129.65, which basically is very critical. Besides, BCH can arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $144.27 in a for the most part significant manner. Bitcoin money value estimate June 2023. For June 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money generally is basically anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $111.05, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $114.23 and a genuinely least of $100.48, or so they really thought. Bitcoin money value conjecture July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money especially is truly anticipated to basically arrive at a kind of typical cost of $114.39, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $118.67 and a kind of least of $109.10, which in every practical sense is very critical. Bitcoin money value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money for the most part is supposed to explicitly be at around a sort of least of $112.53, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of $123.25, with the truly normal cost of $117.82 in USD in a fundamentally large way. Bitcoin money value forecast September 2023. The cost of Bitcoin money truly is generally anticipated to sort of reach at the very least worth of $116.06 in September 2023, which for the most part is very critical. The BCH cost could sort of arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $127.96, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $121.35 all through 2023, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money value figure October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money in a real sense is most certainly anticipated to arrive at a truly normal cost of $126.21, while the coin could exchange between a truly limited $132.81 and a fundamentally least of $121.98. BCH value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money by and large is gauged to in every way that really matters be at around a genuinely least worth of $124.50 in a truly significant manner. The Bitcoin money value worth can really arrive at an essentially limit of $139.12, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $128.73 in USD. Extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money value expectation December 2023. The cost for Bitcoin money in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $129.65 and $144.27 in every practical sense huge way, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $133.88, which sort of is very huge. Bitcoin money kind of past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been diminished by 0.02% in its especially current worth, exhibiting that assuming you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitcoin money in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2023, which is genuinely critical, assuming we for the most part look at the by and large current market cap of the BCH with yesterday. You can truly see that the market cap by and large is additionally down, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the BCH truly was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 4.13%, showing how Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 as per the Bitcoin money figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the BCH cost especially is supposed to explicitly cross a kind of normal value level of $133.88. The normal sort of least value worth of Bitcoin money toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to fundamentally be $129.65 in a significant manner. Bitcoin money in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for especially of potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to sort of dive right in and truly put resources into a genuinely huge way. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of BCH certainly diminished by 21.056%, killing an incredible essentially normal amount of $28.35 from its by and large current worth. So this truly makes Bitcoin money fundamentally positioning at 29 in the digital money market, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a generally excellent for the most part purchase and open door for in every practical sense. Speedy interest in a genuinely enormous way. The 90 days cost change generally is near 19.36%, and the cost certainly flowed from a genuinely least truly normal cost of $125.38 to truly most extreme especially norm cost of $134.83 in the sort of beyond 90 days. So besides BCH can in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $144.27, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. In absolute most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money especially has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. Subsequently, we explicitly feel that comparative pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, exhibiting how Bitcoin money value conjecture October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money truly is generally anticipated to really arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $126.21, while the coin could exchange between a truly limited $132.81 and a sort of least of $121.98, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Bitcoin money certainly is expanded from 4 months, or so they most certainly thought. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost, which for the most part is very huge. The coin is up by 4.45%, with the especially greatest really normal cost of the coin generally was around $103.49, and the essentially least in every practical sense normal cost of generally was around $100.92 and genuinely beyond 4 months. Extremely further appearance how the coin explicitly is up by 4.45%, with the greatest exceptionally normal cost of the coin truly was around $103.49, and the very least kind of typical cost of for the most part was around $100.92 in especially beyond 4 months, which certainly is very critical. Bitcoin money value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will especially be Bitcoin money in every practical sense worth in